I'm going to tell you a little story. And this story starts off, this 3-week-old little baby was precious and perfect in the sight of his dad. When he got his son undressed and ready to take a bath, he saw that his son was broken out in a head-to-toe rash. It looked like his son was scalded in hot water. And he received a call from a family member that changed his life forever. He was asked the question, what are you using for laundry detergent? Well, he answered, well, of course, it's the big bright bottle, the one that grandma always used. So this family member said, hey, strip your clothes and wash in a non-toxic formula. And 24 hours later, without any pharmaceutical intervention, the baby was fine. It's my story when my firstborn son was sick. And that's what put me on my quest, my journey to find out, well, what's in my laundry room that could make my family sick? What's under the kitchen sink? What's in the cupboard? What's in the refrigerator? And we decided to start a business, and it was the world's first refillable cleaning system. And it started under the simple premise of you don't need plastic but once. So you get an empty laundry jug once, and then you get a refill in the mail. Well, that simple idea has fueled a revolution, a movement, where we've saved over 4 million pieces of plastic from ever being produced. But it's even more than that. More than just refillable cleaning products. We represent freedom. Freedom from toxic chemicals, from senseless plastic. But we also represent freedom in its purest sense. For example, we have freed hundreds of women from sex slavery all over the world. We actually empower and fund an entire deaf village in Jamaica and empower the deaf of Jamaica with sustainable jobs. We have built orphanages and churches all over the world like Haiti, Dominican Republic, and Mexico, just to name a few. So the reason why we recently changed our name to trulyfreehome.com, because that's what we represent, a truly free home. So somewhere around this post, there's a link, click it, and come on over to trulyfreehome.com and join the revolution today. Bye for now.